Hey guys, 𝐵enJD here from 𝐸𝐿. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your iPhone to a satellite. But in order to do that, you're going to have the latest iOS 18 update. If you don't know how to update your phone to the latest iOS 18, I am going to have the link down in the video description below. Or if you take a look at the top right corner, you're going to see the I annotation. The video is going to pop up. Anyways, once you update to the latest iOS 18, what you want to do next is drag the screen from the top right corner. And then you'll end up on a screen like this. You're going to notice on the right side of your screen, you're going to see like a cell tower signal kind of thing. You click on it. Then if you look all the way in the bottom, you're going to see satellite not available. Click on it. This is the demo trial because the actual version is not out yet. I'm going to click try demo. And here's what you're going to get. So you're able to send and receive messages. You could use Find My iPhone. It'll update the shared location, roadside assistance, and emergency SOS services. So what you want to do is try connecting to satellite. It's going to tell you to turn off your cellular device, or it's going to tell you to turn off the cellular network. You turn it off, and then it's going to tell you to try to get a clear view of the sky. I recommend you do this outside. If you're inside of buildings, the connection can be blocked. So go outside and try it there. If you're outside, you're going to get an animation of the actual satellite dish. That little dot's going to turn green, and then it's going to have you orientate towards the satellite. Last time I was outside, it had me point towards the northern sky. So it might just do the same thing here. It's a pretty cool animation. But anyways, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐵enJD here from 𝐸𝐿, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.